The probate process and outstanding debts. When someone passes away, their estate often includes more than just assets, it can also include outstanding debts. Understanding how probate works in relation to these debts can help avoid unnecessary stress and potential legal trouble. The probate process ensures that debts and taxes are handled before assets are distributed to heirs. This legal proceeding validates a will, appoints an executor, and gives creditors a chance to collect what they are owed. The process typically takes between 6 to 12 months, but the timeline can stretch depending on the complexity of the estate or disputes that arise. Unpaid obligations like credit card debt, medical bills, mortgages, personal loans, and taxes are all considered outstanding debts in probate. Before beneficiaries can receive anything, the estate must first settle these liabilities. Failing to do so can leave the executor personally liable if distributions are made too early or without proper resolution. To properly handle estate debts, personal representatives must identify all creditors and ensure every debt is addressed. Texas law prioritizes debt payments in a specific order. This begins with administrative costs like court fees and attorney's fees, followed by family exemptions, funeral expenses, government debts, and final medical bills. Unsecured debts, such as personal loans or credit card balances, are last in line and may even be reduced or dismissed if the estate lacks funds. If an estate is considered insolvent, where debts outweigh assets, it's essential to halt distributions until the probate court approves debt payments. Ignoring this step could mean certain creditors go unpaid while others receive funds inappropriately. Probate doesn't automatically eliminate debt. If assets like retirement accounts or insurance policies have designated beneficiaries, they are generally protected. However, other properties, especially real estate, may be sold to pay creditors if needed. In situations like these, legal guidance from a lawyer can be crucial. When an executor receives a claim, it must be verified with proper documentation. The Texas Estates Code outlines that creditors must be notified, often through local publication, and given 4 months to submit claims. Secured creditors must be notified directly via certified mail within 2 months. Executors then assess these claims against estate records and may dispute any that are inaccurate. If disagreements arise, they are resolved in probate court. Once debts are settled, the probate process concludes with the transfer of assets to beneficiaries. The executor must obtain certified copies of the death certificate, file final tax returns, and ensure all transfers are conducted legally. In Texas, formal estate closure is not typical, which allows for easier resolution if new assets are discovered later. At every stage, it's important to understand your responsibilities and the legal steps required. Working with an attorney helps navigate complex situations, such as contested claims or insolvent estates. A lawyer can also help ensure the correct priority of payments and protect the estate from potential liability. Let the law office of Whitney L. Thompson guide you through the probate process and help resolve outstanding debts. For assistance, contact us at 281-214-0173 or visit us at 4201 FM 1960 Road West, Suite 360, Houston, Texas 77068.